Welcome to Love to Travel, your ultimate travel companion offering a vibrant blend of travel modes, destinations, and experiences. Join us today for an afternoon exploring Malaga's Old Town. On the southern coast of the Mediterranean Sea in Spain lies Malaga, the capital of the Costa del Sol and the main gateway to this region of Andalusia, easily accessible by train and an international airport. Centro Histórico is an old town cluster of narrow alleyways and pretty pastel streets that lead between hidden plazas, tapas bars, and historical wonders. Many of the city's main roads converge onto busy squares like Plaza de la Constitución. The plaza has been the nerve center of Malaga since the Moorish period. The plaza has been a major town square since the time of the reconquest, when it was known as the Plaza de las Cuatro Calles, 4 Street Square. Malaga City Hall was located in the plaza until 1869. In 2002, the plaza was transformed into a pedestrian square. The historic center of Malaga is a treasure trove of architectural marvels and cultural landmarks. The history of the city center is a captivating tale that spans over 2,800 years. In the 7th century BC, the Phoenicians founded a commercial center they named Malaga. The Phoenicians were later succeeded by the Carthaginians in the 3rd century BC, who continued to develop the city. In the 2nd century BC, the Romans colonized Spain and took control of Malaga. The Roman influence is evident in the city's architecture and urban layout. The Moors arrived in the 8th century AD, left a significant impact on Malaga. They fortified the city, built palaces, and introduced advanced irrigation systems. In the 11th century, the alcazaba, a medieval Moorish palatial fortification, was built to protect the city and still stands today as a testament to their architectural prowess. This stunning palace is a maze of ancient walls, gardens, and sculptures. Overlooking the Centro Histórico, the Alcazaba sits on top of Roman ruins and stands as a legacy of the past. Lying at the foot of the Alcazaba is a Roman amphitheater. Built in the 1st century, many of its parts were taken by the Arab invaders who conquered the city and used its parts in the building of the Moorish palace. The theater was completely hidden underground until it was rediscovered in 1951. In the 15th century, the Christian reconquest led to significant changes in Malaga. The city's mosques were converted into churches and new buildings were constructed in the Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles. The city continued to grow and develop, eventually becoming the vibrant cultural hub that it is today. One of the most beautiful spots in Malaga's Old Town is the magnificent Malaga Cathedral. The facade, unlike the rest of the building, is in Baroque style. Construction began in the 16th century and took nearly 300 years until the cathedral was almost fully completed. To this day, the South Tower remains unfinished. The outside of the cathedral offers shaded gardens and fountains. The architecture of Malaga's historic center is a visual journey through the city's history. Each building and monument tells a story of the people who lived here and the cultures they brought with them. These architectural marvels make Malaga's historic center a living museum of the past. If you have visited Malaga, let me know in the comments below your favorite part. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest adventures and travel hacks. Let's fuel our wanderlust together and make every journey unforgettable.